Yeah, welcome back. October the 5th here at Bear's Rod Shop. We're looking at the back of the old Cadillac. Yes, I own a truck, but it's awful expensive to drive the Dodge D250. So let's see what's in the trunk. Made a little metal run yesterday and picked up a few things. Let's put the cardboard over here on the handicap chair. Made a little run yesterday and picked up some 2-inch round bar. All I need was some remnants and some 4-inch by 3/8 plate and some of that 2 by 3/8 and a couple of turnbuckles. Let's get this stuff in the shop, lay it out, and let's see what all we're going to be doing with this to keep modifying that rough cut tool I made for 2022. So let's get this into the shop and we'll pick up where it's not so sunny and bright. All right, we got everything in here where it's at least in the shade of the shop. And of course, there's the finger brake that I built, and I haven't finished is what I want to add some more mods to. So I made a little trip into the salvage yard yesterday, and I've been going to this place since probably the 80s. And very nice family-owned operation over there. Their help over there will bend over backwards to help load. So we got almost 61 pounds. It don't look like it, but there's 61 pounds there for $30. And since I'm retired and dealing cash, it give me a little more discount. So the bride's still saying, "Get her done, dear." So we got to get. Today is a hot day in Texas for some reason. It's not our normal. We're going to be 93 today. And a little cool front coming in on Saturday. Should drop us into the 60s, maybe high 80. But this is just going to be a little quickie for the material that I stockpile. And that 2 3/4 inch piece of cold roll. Didn't absolutely have to have it, but it was laying beside the other 3 short 2-inch. So yeah, it'll come in handy someday for something. And the turnbuckles, actually that ended up about 50 cents a piece. They had them in a box over there, 4 for $1, and I should have got 4 of them, but anyhow, I got 2 of them. She goes, "Well, got to charge you 50 cents a piece." And I said, "Well, send them on, because I got to make a rotisserie for that CJ5. All right, Sammy's saying, "Bear, get her done." We're out of here, and thanks for all my subscribers and viewers that hit. That was a terrible video. I'm sorry about the rough cut 2022, but we'll get better one day. Y'all come back and visit, and please hit that like and subscribe button, and help me grow so I can get some decent cameras. Bear's Rod Shop, we're out.